Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the 4x plus 4 to the 4x is equal to 14. Okay, or taking common 4 to the power x, here we will get 1 plus here we will get 1 is equal to 14, or 4 to the power x times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 14, or now divided both sides by 2, we can write here 4 to the power x times 2 over 2 is equal to 14 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2 and here we will get 7, or so we will get 4 to the power x is equal to 7. Now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 4 to the power x is equal to log of 7. Or now here we use a logarithm formula. We know that log of a power b is equal to b times log of a. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x times log of 4 is equal to log of 7. Now divided both sides by log of 4, we can write here x times log of 4 over log of 4 is equal to log of 7 over log of 4, or this log of 4 cancel out this log of 4, so here we will get x is equal to, we know and another formula, log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b. Now apply this formula. Here we can write log of 7 base 4. So finally the value of x is equal to log of 7 base 4. Now check. Our questions have given 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 14. 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 14. So here we can write 4 to the power x is equal to 7. Here x is equal to log of 7 base 4. So we can write here 4 to the power log of 7 base 4. It is equal to 7. We know and logarithm formula, a to the power log of b base a is equal to b. So apply this formula. Here we will get 7. 7 is equal to 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the final value of x is equal to log of 7 base 4 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.